Hey guys, we're back at the off-grid. It looks like a tree fell on the house again. Anyway, friend's kid of mine had a bad dream that I was working on there and the house fell on me and I died. What an encouraging thought for the first day back. So we're not doing that today. Anyway, I wasn't planning to anyway. We're going to do some more brush cutting. Back here, I want to kind of stay in line with this one. Go that way. These ones will be the perfect size for my roof rafters. Anyway, we want to go back here. Keep it in line. And then we'll start heading that way a bit, you know, whatever. But next week, I'll be at Ma's all week. My brother's going to his off-grid place. So he'll be out there for a week, so I'll be in town for a week. Then when he comes back, I'll be back out here for a week, and then he'll go back to his place. So that's basically what we got going on right now. And I gotta get to work. Okay, as you can see, I've opened it up quite a bit back here. It looks good so far. That's where my cabin's gonna be, right here. But so from about here back, I opened that up today. Cleaned this out quite a bit. So it did go as far as here, but I've cleaned it out quite a bit. Gotta get rid of that outhouse. And then we want to go, here's what it used to look like. That's where we're going, is that way. This is where we came from. So, we're gonna go that way, I don't know, maybe another 20 feet or so. We'll go until we find another opening spot, and then we'll head back towards the road, I think. But yeah, so that's it so far.